Years ago, the dream came true. I released my first larger project, Elengrad. Well, still pretty small, but oh god, that was a massive achievement. Elengrad is a half to an hour long Metroidvania set in a fantasy world. You play as Eric, a young guy who's solving a mystery of his lost friend. It has cute art, lovable characters, and in general it received a lot of love. It won the Metroidvania Month Game Jam, and even though it was released 5 years ago, people still play it daily. Wow. But by no means it's a perfect game. Oh no, no, no.
Well, this isn't good. How?
It has a lot of problems, especially when it comes to game design.
Why weren't you going out? I hate this.
At moments it's frustrating and difficult, requires a lot of backtracking, and a lot of story elements were left unresolved. Even back then I wanted to fix all of that, but there was just one problem. I had no idea what I was doing. Back then I believed it was all because I created the game in Construct 2, which made it hard to extend and maintain. But the truth was, I was simply tired. In a month I spent 160 hours on the game, working full-time at the same time. Then an excuse followed another excuse, and game was never remade. Very recently I have decided to give it another go. To keep myself motivated, I decided to start making devlogs. I hope together we'll be able to create the game even better. If you would like to play the original game, I will leave a link to it in the description. So, what's the idea? I started by deciding on a clear direction for the game. A simple mission, or rather feeling I want to focus on at all times. That is, nothing is black or white. Don't judge too fast. It's something that was part of the game from the very beginning. You know, for example, this guy is not really that bad as it seems, and this guy has some secrets. Oh, and some people have had good intentions but didn't anticipate things will go so wrong. I have already restructured the whole story to be more coherent and incorporate the theme even more. Some story arcs that were left just mentioned now will become a major part of the game. Depending on your decisions and actions, there will be multiple endings. Just a few of them. So there will of course be a standard ending, which you get by following the main story without putting any extra effort. For now, I will leave the others a secret. The game world will become twice as large as currently, which is going from around 17-18 areas to about 35. But what's important, some of them will be completely optional. The order of the existing areas will stay as it is. They will of course be redesigned to incorporate new art pieces and support new gameplay elements. In the original game there were 9 NPCs, including 2 bosses. That will grow to 12 NPCs you can talk with, and a significant creature you'll meet and fight but you won't be able to speak with. In the original game, the progression was purely linear, with 2 bosses and all the quests directly linked to the main story. Now, that will change a little bit. The main story will stay linear, however some parts of it will depend on you discovering secrets, exploring the optional areas, and doing some side quests. Oh gods, pity. That sounds like a massive, unfinishable project. I know. To keep the project manageable, I'm limiting the number of side quests. Currently, there are only 4 planned, and all of them carefully designed to enhance the world without making the game artificially long. The plan is to increase the gameplay from 30 minutes to around 2.5 hours. Most importantly, make it feel interesting and fresh at all times. And you probably want to know where I am now when it comes to implementation. Well, it's going pretty well. The character controller is ready, you can transition between zones, there is a solid basis for the combat system, and I am soon moving to implementing an inventory. And all of that within Unity. I'd love to hear what excites you the most about this remake. Are you more interested in the technical side, or do you want to dive into the lore and story details? Let me know in the comments.